Rage on that beat, going crazy.
What's the deal, y'all? Car Group back with another one. Y'all see me in the shop today. Just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on what's going on in here. Let's see, we got the good old braking oil for the motor over there, and all the parts that will be getting put on the motor, put on the car. Y'all seen a little clip of it before when all the stuff was in there. All the stuff is out. As you can see, got the drawer shaft, gotta get that measured up. Car is cleaned out, needs to just be cleaned a little. There's still some more boxes in there actually. That's why they're gonna get taken out later. But got the harness back there, got some other stuff. Y'all see that? It's that this purple, we even did that, the little air cleaner. But wire harness, radiator's in there. Let's see, we got some slap that's gonna be going in my nephew's car, so stay tuned for that. And then yeah, Boosted SRT is not driving today. He's actually in his low key, what you call it, and yeah, so you already know, got the YouTube going, and I'll hit y'all with some B-roll and some stuff later on. Y'all see that active performance. Thank you for all the new subs. Go ahead, still comment, like, and subscribe to all the videos. Go check old videos out. Stay updated. See y'all next time.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So we back at active, y'all see, and then back at the shop. Got the Pringles on deck anyway. Caught BJ in here working on his car a little bit. Please go ahead and put that tube on. It'd be easier if we had it on the stand, but the bolt's fucked up, so you gotta do it this way. Give y'all another look at all the pieces. All the gaskets, the firewheel, alternator, water pump. All the stuff y'all saw in this video. Still haven't got it in yet, but it's going in soon. So the next time y'all see BJ in the car, maybe it'll be in the car. I have some extra footage for you then. All right, check y'all out next. We're back with another episode of putting BJ car together. We upgraded the brakes. Y'all see them. Let's check out the old ones. Them motherfuckers was what? Look at that. Woo-wee. They would work, but shit, they show is ugly. Yeah, changed them on both sides already. We got the brakes out, the calipers outside. Y'all see that? Show y'all the calipers real quick outside, getting that wet paint. Put on them. That's like first on the TV. Hold on. Coyote Mart right there.
I mean, just to make passengers, make the runs even. I mean, we definitely gotta come out.
Y'all hear Fast Life Rest Stop. I'm trying to wait to. He behind the camera. You already know this page that is. But come out here. Got the calipers being painted. So some is more done than the other ones, but y'all see that. That shit gonna be wet, and it still need another coat and some clear. But yeah, that's the front two calipers that's gonna go on there. Look good with the brakes. But yeah, I know where we at. The shop. I still gotta get some more stickers. I gotta get like a Hunk It Off sticker. I need to get like an RTV sticker, and then a few other stickers to put on here. But that's all I got for this episode right now. That's what we currently doing. Still waiting on the parts for this one, this Camaro, so we can change the studs. The other ones was bent. This is still stuck in there. I gotta get a punch to take that out. And then this one is almost out, but I need to move the tires. Shit. I only got one jack, so we got tires holding up cars and stuff. That's how it goes sometimes. They're ready to come out. As soon as we get the part for that, put all that stuff back together, it'll be A-okay. What's up, SSBJ? Check out next time.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Chevy still got their Christmas ornaments up. Came here to get some parts. We'll be putting the Camaro together soon. Right there waiting in line at the cashier. And check out all the little Chevy. See, VJ got the receipt. He had to pay for some. Had to go to the Chevy dealership. Y'all see that? He's getting a lot closer, so you know what that means. And y'all see these things over here, these certified vehicles. Yeah, but we out of here. Check out y'all later. Another day, another episode. I see that I had to get the statements off the body of the car. So you already see that the motor's sitting down there. We're gonna put the headers over there on there soon. You got new boxes and stuff. But Car Guru did this. DJ helped out. So sometimes you gotta do it the easy way, so you don't have to do work the hard way. But to each his own. Did this in about 15 minutes. So y'all see that how I set up the transmission already connected to it and everything. See that. But that's just another little update we got going for y'all. Stay tuned. Till next time.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.